This sanding machine is combined with segmented pad sander and wood brush sanding machine, which is mainly used for sanding and polishing the veneer wood door, painting wood board. The front group is segmented pad sander. This machine is composed of two sets of cross belts, which are the segmented pad to sense the workpiece and automatically press down to sand. The belt sanding can enhance the flatness of the workpiece. The brush roller is used to sanding the workpiece longitudinally, to eliminate the sand marks left by the cross belt sand in front. Vertical and horizontal coordination, deep fine polishing of the workpiece, not only with flatness, but also eliminate sand marks, is the perfect sanding program.